And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this professional pet nail grinder. This is the front of the box. See the name there. Little user guide description here that you can see on the back. Little sticker. So let's just show you what you get here. This is just an unboxing. Slide out our nail filer. It is rechargeable, so that's what this included USB-C cable's for. A thank you note. A little pamphlet about how it works. And lastly, a little cleaning brush. That's it for the box. So this is the rechargeable professional pet nail grinder. You can see, holds 1 second to power on, tap for low speed at 6,000 RPMs, tap for medium speed at 8,000, or high speed at 10,000 RPM, double tap for the light. So down here is your USB-C port where you can charge it. And there is your actual grinder for the nails. So if you double tap, you get the little light, and if you hold, that is the medium, or that was the low, this is the medium, and now you can see the third one. That's the sound of high. It's not very loud, like, I think it's a humming noise. Your pet's gonna hear it, but you know. And then you just hold to turn it off. There you go. That'll essentially do it for this professional pet nail grinder. Thanks again to the company right here who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.